I didn't sleep at all last night.
Really?
No, it's too
Putting
hot
my
to
forecast together, I know I'm not going to sleep at all this week unless I make one of those. But yeah, it's a good idea. I mean, I have air conditioning, but it doesn't really work upstairs. So this is kind of another good alternative. You could just put that in your room. I like it. All right, the marine layer over Coronado, which you can see, Hotel Del, all lit up and beautiful. And if you are going to be going to the beaches, be aware that beach hazard statement that we've been talking about for so long now continues for about 2 more days. It ends tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. Waves of 4 to 6 feet. You can see right now they're averaging 4 to 5 feet off our coast right now. Could see a few sets up to 8 feet. The biggest waves will be in the North County, so areas like Oceanside and Carlsbad. All right, Ramona. Just within the last 30 minutes, about a mile and a half to 3 miles of visibility is what we've been seeing. Of course, we'll continue to track that, but if you're traveling along the 67 or Wildcat Canyon Road, you might want to leave a few minutes extra early. So that monsoon moisture, that green down there, all that rain and a few thunderstorms that we've been seeing in Arizona, moving into Southern California this morning, and it is also very hot. So we've got high pressure and the monsoon. So hot and humid not only today, but for the majority of this week. You can see that activity is inching closer and closer towards us. And in fact, we're going to see one of these waves that we're seeing right now. One of these waves is actually going to be pushing through overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Let's just show you that because 10 News Futurecast is doing a really good job picking up on this activity. So here's that band that I just showed you, most of it going farther to the south and staying to the east of us this morning. Then into the afternoon, most areas we're just going to see the clouds building, especially in the mountains and our deserts. Peak activity should be to the south and north of us as it has been the last couple of days. However, watch this clump of clouds could bring showers and thunderstorms anywhere in the county overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Now, most areas will just see clouds. However, you can see that little bit of green. We could see a lot more of that. We saw that last Monday. Today, this timing kind of looking like overnight into tomorrow morning is going to be our best chance. Then showers and thunderstorms form in the mountains and the deserts. If they're strong enough, they could continue to move west into our valleys, potentially all the way to our coastline. So there is a slight chance for thunder overnight tonight through Wednesday to reach all the way to the coast. However, best chance will remain in our mountains and deserts. It's also going to be warmer and more humid this week. Temperature is climbing to the 80s by midweek. We stay there to end the work week. Inland neighborhoods, the hottest valleys will be in the 90s all week long. We're going to average the 90s for the second half of the work week. Add on the humidity, it's going to just feel so uncomfortable for a lot of us. 80s and near 90 degrees for our mountains and very hot and humid also in our deserts. There's that potential for showers and thunderstorms through at least Friday in our mountains and deserts.